Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this update not updating on Windows 11. It's very easy to fix. There are a couple of different methods, so try not to skip them. The first thing you want to do is pause and resume the update. So how do you do that? Open Windows Update Settings, go here, and basically from here you want to pause updates and then resume the update to see if that fixes the issue. If that didn't work, I'll move on to method number 2. So method number 2, type in services in the search bar here. From here, find app readiness right here, double click on it, and set the startup type to automatic right here, and then say apply OK and start service, and see if that fixes your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, let's move on to step number 3. Step number 3, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So go into search, type in settings, go to system on the left hand side. From here you're gonna see something called troubleshoot, click on that. And from here you're gonna see a couple of different boxes, other troubleshooters here, click on that, and from here click on Windows Update and click on Run, and let the troubleshooter complete, and then restart your system to see if that works. Okay, here's the last method if nothing else has worked so far. Again, type in services here, find Windows Update from this list here. Okay, here it is. Double click on it, set the startup type to automatic, hit apply, hit OK, and then do the same for background intelligent transfer service. This one here, set this to automatic, and then hit apply, hit OK, and then try updating. Once again, one of these should have fixed the issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.